Air Jordan 11 cherries. Must cop, must cop, must. If you haven't already, do yourself a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. Looking at the pictures, y'all know how I feel about red. I mean, that's an automatic must cop. I mean, Jordan 11, red, white, red. Man, that shoe is hot. I just hope that they do the patent leather right. You know, I hope they don't mess up the patent leather on this Jordan 11. But looking at these pictures, it looks good. It looks good. I just hope that it's true. I hope, according to the reports and what I see, that this is true. This is dope. If your boy don't get on retail, your boy gonna get on resale if the price is not out of my price range. But it's a must cop for me. Trey, what say you?
Hey, it's a must cop for me too. I mean, majority of the J's that we have in the collection are Jordan 11s. Patent leather, something about that patent leather, man. And we love them. And this shoe releasing what they say holiday season, and it's red, automatic, no brainer, automatic must cop, man. You know, you be a goddamn fool not to try to get these, especially if you a fan of Jordan 11. Look at the pictures. I mean, man, this shoe is amazing. Hey, man, this must cop. That's all I gotta say. Must cop. Must cop. All right.
What say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Are y'all gonna get them? Or y'all gonna pass? Let us know down there in the comment section below. We out. Peace.
Peace, baby.
All right.